Shareholding pattern is a very important criteria in determining whether you should buy a stock or not. In this video, we will discuss who all hold a stake in any company and also will discuss what is promoter pledge percentage. Who all own stake in any company? There are four types of stakeholders in any company. First, promoters. The promoter is a person or an organization who is associated with the business from the starting. It also includes the founders and co-founders of the company. Second, FIIs. FIIs stand for foreign institutional investors. These are the investors outside from the home territory of the company. It can also be mutual funds, investment firms, etc. So for example, a firm from USA invest in any company from India, then that firm is a foreign institutional investor. Third, DIIs. Domestic institutional investors are basically investors like mutual funds, government, banks, etc., which are within the home territory of the company. Fourth, non-institutional investors. This category majorly includes people who use their own funds to invest in markets for purposes like retirement goals, etc. So this category includes all those people who buy a small amount of shares. Promoter pledge percentage. What is pledging? Pledging of shares is one of the ways by which the promoter can get loans by keeping his or her shares as collateral. What is collateral? So when a person goes to a bank to get a loan, the bank asks for some asset as security called collateral. In this case, the promoters give their shares as collateral. So why is pledging of shares bad? Pledging of shares is bad in case the stock prices begins to fall. This is because the promoter has to maintain the value of collateral. For example, the promoter pledges 1000 shares when the value of share is rupees 10, then the total value of collateral becomes rupees 10,000. If the prices falls to rupees 9, then the total value of collateral becomes rupees 9,000. In this case, the promoter will have to provide more shares which would be worth rupees 1000. So if the promoter pledging is high, then there is significant risk in buying that share. Also, the bank can sell the shares in case of non-repayment of loan, which can be very bad for the company. Let's take a real life example. The stock A to Z Infra Engineering. Let's see the promoter holding percentage of this company. The promoter holding percentage of this company is very high, which is very close to 98%. This can be very bad for the stock.